Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick Joann's haul. I did get on the site a few days ago because the shipping was super fast, by the way, and picked up a few things. I saw Scrap Diva 29 Erica post a video that the paper pads were like buy one get one, so I jumped on to see what I can get, and I did end up picking up a few things that I want to share. Also on this video, I want to share with you guys the new kit for July for Coco and Reno, because if you guys are not on Instagram, you will have not seen. They're all over. They're rosette dyes this month, so I have some samples to share with you guys with those. And yes, look, your girl got a manicure. I didn't put nails on this time because that was a total fail, so I decided to just do a manicure so they could at least look pretty for you guys when I'm like moving stuff around. But anyway, enough about me. Let's get into this haul. And yeah, so I picked up a bunch of project pads that I didn't have. I do have the Sunny Days by Maggie Holmes project pad, but I had seen people haul the Flourish one, so you know I had to have it. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but you haven't seen it here, so it doesn't count. So this is what it looks like. And we're gonna go through some pages. So you get some stickers, which I love. They're not as thick as the cardstock stickers, but they're just like the regular stickers. They're still super cute. You can, if you want them to be kind of like ephemera pieces, just back them with some cardstock, and there you go. Fussy cut them out. Then we have some gold ones. We have some gold foil paper. Look at that. So you get some, let me see. Let's see what we get here. You get, wait, it's in the back. 100 stickers. You get 4 specialty papers, 8 pattern papers, and then you get regular solid papers. So yeah, kind of like the Sunny Days one. Oh, look at that. So you get this gold paper, like glitter paper, and this rose, like rose gold. Then we have that. We get some cut aparts. I love Flourish, you guys. So pretty. You get the butterfly one. And then these are all just like solid colors. Okay. And the next one that I got is Paige Evans Horizon. And if you're not following me on Instagram, which you totally should, you guys, I just landed a spot on Paige Evans' design team. Yay! I was so excited, you guys. Yesterday was such an amazing day, as well as the day before, because on Monday I was announced as part of the Paper House design team. So I didn't only land one more design team, I landed 2 more, you guys. So I am just like over the moon, so excited to start creating for both teams. It's just extremely overwhelming, and it was just 2 amazing days to start off this week for me. So I picked up the Horizon project pad because I am going to be showing you guys tons of projects for Paige Evans. Not only layouts, because I know that she's very known for layouts, but I'm going to be doing full-blown cut file projects to share with you guys. Cards and SVGs, just a whole bunch. So if you haven't seen her Horizon collection, she actually just came out with a new one, which I cannot wait to receive. It's called Grateful. So pretty. But you get the same kind of thing. You get some regular papers. Look, you get some alphas with this one, stickers. So I had to pick this one up. I already have the ephemera and a lot of the other accessories, so I just wanted to get the project pad because I also own the 6x8. So yeah, you guys, I am so excited. I am now part of Paige Evans' design team, which is super duper exciting, as well as Paper House. You guys, I love Paper House stickers. I'm like obsessed. I have so many, and now I am part of the design team. That's so mind-blowing, you guys, and that's all because of you guys. Because if it wasn't for you guys watching me, supporting me, and showing so much love, I would not get these opportunities. So it all starts with you guys, and that's why I do the giveaways that I do. That's why I do the videos that I do, just for you guys, because you guys are the bomb. Whenever I move up, you guys move up, because it's just like because of you. It all starts with you. And the last, this is not the last thing, but you guys, I'm in a very good mood this week, so just don't mind me if I'm like all over the place. I am in a very good mood. I'm very happy, and it's just been a great week. I have no complaints. I'm off for the next 4 days. I don't go back to work till Monday. Like, I'm just living it. living it, you guys. So the next paper pad that I got, enough chatting, Lily, enough chatting. But you guys are like my girlfriends, so I like talking to you. So I don't have a lot of friends in real life, but you guys are my girlfriends. So I like to talk to you guys about if I'm feeling good, if I'm, you know, I'm sorry I didn't film because I'm not feeling all that great. But yeah, I picked up Jen Hadfield Chasing Adventures, which I have seen a million times, and I always say I'm gonna get it and never got it. So this time around, you guys, each paper pad was like $5.99, and I think they still are. So I'm gonna have that link down below. So you get solids. I guess with all these project pads, you get solids. Those are in the back, and then you get some specialty papers. These are so cute. Glitter papers, gold foil, cut aparts, stickers, and alphas. You guys, look at those little girls. Aren't they cute? So I did pick up that, and I did pick up accessories for this because I have absolutely nothing for this collection. So I got the cardstock stickers. So cute. I love Jen Hadfield's collections. They're just so cute. Perfect for summer. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry, my phone totally cut me off, but I was showing you guys the puffy stickers to the collection. This is what they look like. And I always like to get the puffy stickers from each collection because these are perfect for the little embellishments because they're super tiny. And also telling you guys that her collections are always so perfect for the summertime. And that's why I like them. So I got those, and then I picked up 2 ephemera packs. This one is the quotes, I think it is, and then the regular ephemera pack. I'm not gonna open them up, but I'll show you what you get in each pack. So this one is the quotes one, I think. You get some tags, you get some gold foiling, and then this one is the actual ephemera pack where you get a bunch of little girls, the bicycles. Super cute collection, you guys, and I'm glad that I finally just went for it and purchased it. And then the last thing from Joann's is I picked up 2 yards of this vinyl so that I can make a bunch of those little bags just in different ways. I want to experiment a little bit more with this vinyl and make some other stuff. So wish me luck on that. And then you guys, I want to show you the Coco and Reno dies for July. Like I said, it's rosette dies. And what you get is, let me show you what you get. So you get, oops, 5 different rosettes. You get ones with stars. You get this one that kind of has like an Aztec feel. You get this one that has like little butterflies. You get this one that's kind of like the floral one. And then you get this one that's just kind of like a scallop circle with the circle cutouts. And then what you also get is 4 different versions of centers. Let me show you guys. So you get the scallop circle. You get that little Aztec, I don't know what you would call that, but you guys know what I mean. The little butterfly, and then you get a star. So you can use any center of these for these rosettes. And let me give you guys some examples. I have these that I showed on my Instagram live, not live, my stories. This one is the circled one, and this is this paper. If you guys want to know what it is, it's hold on one second, right here. It's My Mind's Eye Gingham Farm. That's the paper that I used. It's double-sided. This is actually the scallop circle center. So that's that one. And then there's this one, which is the floral one, using the same paper. And then we have, the only one I didn't do is the butterfly one. I totally missed that one. And there's this one. They're so pretty, you guys. Oops. My hands are shaking. I'm always super shaky. But then again, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't eaten. And then last one I have is this one with stars. Look at that. Super cute. And you guys, this paper is adorable. Let me show you them this way. So check out Coco and Reno. They got some great dyes, and you get to get a new kit every month. So everything will be linked down below. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for a P.O. box unboxing video. I'm going to be doing every Friday. I'm going to be opening my P.O. box with you guys so you guys can see what I get, especially since I have this challenge going. It's just the perfect way to just end the week with opening my mailbox, because I cannot do that every single day. It's just way too much. So I think every Friday I'll upload a video unboxing all my mail from my P.O. box and share it with you guys, as well as showing you guys the entries for my challenge. And I'm going to have a video coming soon, maybe this weekend, telling you guys about all the new additions to the giveaway. I have got 6 sponsors for this giveaway, you guys. So it's gotten a lot bigger, but there's going to be a whole separate video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.